What's up, everybody? So today we're talking about TinkerCAD, which is a wonderful 3D design tool and apparently the easiest, fiercest 3D design tool around. It's free and it's an easy to learn online app that anyone can use to create and print 3D models. I personally recommend it. There's a lot of tutorials on here which can help you if you're a beginner or even if you're advanced. There's really cool stuff. It's a cool interface. It's fun to play around with, and it works great. I mean, you can bring it on the go. You can design on your iPad, on your iPhone, on your laptop, your Mac on the go, and print anywhere. You don't need any experience, and you can print cool things like this or these guys. Imagine being able to print a whole chess set. I really like TinkerCAD and the mission that it provides. I think they're really helping people out when it comes to making 3D models, which is really the hardest part of 3D printing, actually creating the designs themselves. So, I mean, I'm actually going to bring you through an actual creation of one of my 3D prints. So let's go through it right now. Yes, remember me? Alright, so now we're back in the TinkerCAD dashboard. As you can see, it shows you the lessons you've completed, shows you the files you've made, and some of the lessons that are here. So we're actually going to go into the lessons page. You can also go to the Learn tab here. And for the first print, for this design that I'm going to make with you guys, I want to create something that's interesting and actually useful if we're going to print it out. So as we kind of browse around what's available, some cool stuff, some really cool stuff. Let's go with this chess piece, this pawn. Alright, so in this lesson you'll learn how to create a traditional pawn for chess. Yes, let's get started. Drag a cylinder shape to the work plane. Okay. Done. Scale it to a height of 3 millimeters. Okay. Complete. Drag the work plane on top of the cylinder. Number 4, drag a cone shape to the work plane. Now, if I'm going kind of faster, you guys, it's because I've been using CAD for the last 5, 6, 7 years. I know I've used maybe 6, 10 different programs. And TinkerCAD really isn't that hard to use though. If you wanted to get good with it, get good at 3D printing, I mean TinkerCAD is a great way to start. And I really just recommend looking at all the different options and features. There's some cool stuff here. The interface is really simple, and I definitely recommend it. So let's see, scale it to a height of 11 millimeters. Cool. Drag a sphere shape to the work plane. Scale it smaller to a height of 5 millimeters. Scale it smaller to a diameter of 18 millimeters. Move it to the marked spot. Okay. So that was one way, I guess. Looks a bit off, but still looks pretty cool. Okay, so drag a cone shape to the work plane. Next, scale it taller to a height of 28 millimeters. Scale it smaller to a diameter of 14 millimeters. Perfect. Move it to the marked spot. Cone should be lifted up 3 millimeters. Drag a cone shape to the work plane. So it looks like we need another cone. Alright. Scale it smaller to a height of 19 millimeters. Scale it smaller to a diameter 12 millimeters. Cool. Rotate it 180 degrees. Move it to the marked spots. Looks about right. Drag the work plane on top of the cone. Alright. Drag a sphere shape to the work plane. Scale it smaller. Press and hold the shift button while scaling the object. Good to know. Alright, 8 by 8 by 8. It's looking more like a chess piece now. Number 17. Drag the work plane to empty spot. So just recenter it, basically. So if you want to align shapes, you can select all the shapes, choose adjust, and go to align, and kind of just make sure everything is in place. Now it looks like everything's in place for this guy, so we're gonna move on. Alright, select all items. Group them by pressing group. Oops. Bam. And that's that. We've made our first official piece with 3D modeling. Congratulations, guys. You guys are all awesome. And doesn't this look fantastic? Now we can take this file, send it to Shapeways, send it to 3D Hubs, send it to Thingiverse, and actually get it printed. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.